Come along. Hey everyone, I'm Adrian Grenier, and I'm really excited to share with you this beautiful brownstone in Brooklyn that I designed with my mom, and it has a lot of sustainable attributes that I can't wait to share with you because of course that's important. Let's go. This home was intended for my mother to live closer to me. But of course, if we build a home for my mom, it has to embody all of the values that she instilled in me. So we took great care to make sure that we were reclaiming, recycling, upcycling, because she raised me to be an environmentalist. I think honoring the history is part of what sustainability is. And so we wanted to be able to bring some of that history and keep it and preserve it, but also update it. This has got to be my favorite room. It's light, airy, bright, just positive energy. And when you're in this room, it feels good. I'd like to build sustainability into everything I do. And so that really brought in a community of artisans, makers, and people who were bringing more than just the craftsmanship, but also their heart. For example, the kitchen cabinetry was made by Thomas Metiak, who uses only FSC certified wood. We took a lot of the old beams from the walls and then milled them down and put them into the floors and the common spaces. And now you can walk on a piece of history. And then inside the walls, we have recycled denim insulation. So it's denim made from old jeans. To be able to bring sustainability to the masses with companies like West Elm, where you have a product line that is sustainable, that's a great thing because now you're reaching a wider swath of people. Sustainability isn't a prescriptive list of to-dos. Do this and that and then you're done, because it's a lifestyle and you don't have to hold the weight of the world on your shoulders. That's how you work with others to achieve those goals.